Up next in fourth place is the Efergy E2. This unit will help you better understand how much energy you consume in your home and how much money you may be wasting. It has a new and improved display screen that will indicate to you clearly what the numbers are. We like that it shows you the calculations every hour for a better understanding and feedback. It has an excellent storage capacity of up to 24 months of data. It allows you to compare all the accumulated readings and decide if you need new appliances or keep the ones worth plugging in. We like that it uses multiple tariff options, including weekends and off-peak. We found that to monitor the feed-in power from your solar power system, simply just attach the CT clamps around the solar feed-in cable that will be in your fuse breaker box. Another advantage is that the Efergy E2 has individual circuits that you can install the sensor clamp onto, like a hot tub, air conditioner, or solar system circuit to measure individual power. Additionally, it is suitable for single, 2, or 3-phase households, as it adds additional CT sensors on your order to monitor 3-phase power. Furthermore, if you want to expand your E2 power meter to be able to track your electricity usage online, there is the Efergy Engage Hub Solo, which helps you to continue monitoring even on the go. What's more, it has improved incremental stepping on the voltage, costs, carbon emissions, and alarm. Lastly, there's even an audio alert that will indicate if you have exceeded your set maximum consumption target. Its pros are, it has an audio alert that tells you when you have used up all of your desired maximum power, it has an individual circuit which makes it easy to compare different things, and it shows you the calculations every hour for improved feedback management. However, it can be pretty complicated to set up due to all the different options. The Efergy E2 is an excellent product because it allows you to accurately compare data for 2 years. Still haven't found an electricity usage monitor that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.